Hey everyone, this quick training video is going to show you how to perform new signups, whether it be customers, members, or brand affiliates for the Peru opening, which is going to be next week. And so to start off, you would go to the Peru website, as you can see. This is newskin.com, but in Peru. And what you'll do is you'll log in and then you'll click on your profile menu, and what you'll do is you'll want to go to My Office. Now this is in Spanish, but Office is the one, the second option right here that says Mi Oficina. And so you'll click on this, and you'll need to, in the Office menu, click on Invitation, which is this middle one right here that says Invitación. With Peru, what we're doing is we're turning on this new way to sign people up, similar to what you're used to on what we used to have with MeCommerce. But once you click on here, Peru will be the only selection right here, since Peru is the pilot market for this sign up flow. And then right here, you'll choose the account type, whether it's customer, member, or brand affiliate. And as I select these buttons, you'll notice that this link right here is changing. So let me go through that one more time. I click on customer, member, and brand affiliate. And you'll notice that these links changed. All you have to do is click on this pink button right here to copy, and you'll notice that it says it's been copied to your clipboard. Now you can save that to your notes or whatever, and then just share that away. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to open up an incognito window, and I'm going to paste my brand affiliate link. This is the view of someone that's receiving your link, and you can see here's a couple things. You know that it's attributed to you because it has your name. So it says that Eddie has invited you to be a member or to be a brand affiliate under his team. And then down here in the footer, it also says your invitation is from, and then it has your name right here. So this is attributed to you. Nowhere during this flow is this new sign up going to be asked for what your ID is, because this is already embedded into your tree. Now all this new sign up is going to have to do is go ahead and fill this out. As you can see right here, we have that there are 3 steps. This is step 1 of 3. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take the time to make up an address. Now what's important for Peru is that they provide what's called a DNI. People in Peru should know what this is. This is similar to what our social security number is. So I'll go ahead and paste that there. And then they have to accept the terms and conditions of having a web account. This isn't the distributor agreement form. And then over here, they can select whether they want to be contacted or not. As you can see, this says this is optional. This is just things like marketing materials and stuff. And if they select that they do want to be contacted, they'll just specify by what means, whether it's email or text message. I'm just going to go ahead and leave that blank for now, and then I'll click continue. And then as we go through this process, you'll notice that we went from step 1 of 3 to now we have step 2 of 3. And so it is pretty seamless, and it is intuitive. One thing I will mention is that if they decide to fall out or something happens between step 1 and step 2, we are still capturing them in the system as a retail customer. And this is the element of what's called progressive sign up. We got their most basic information, and we're linking them to your tree, and we're locking them in. But right now they are a retail customer. At Go Live, if they want to upgrade to become a brand affiliate, they'll have to call the call center to do that. What we're working on though is adding a tool in the system itself, so that when they log in to newskin.com the next time after this fallout, that there'll be a prompt that says complete your sign up to become a brand affiliate. Otherwise, what they'll do is they'll just go ahead and continue here with step 2, which is just a phone number, and they'll put their date of birth. And then this right here, this is called a RUC, an RUC. This is different than a it's different than a social security number, which is the DNI. Everybody has a social security number, but an RUC or a RUC is more similar to what's called a tax ID here in the United States. In Peru, if someone wants to do a business, they'll need to have a RUC. If someone doesn't have a RUC, what they can do is they can skip that and go back and add that later on. With progressive sign up, we're just going to capture what's absolutely necessary from the system and let them continue. So here I'm going to click no. This right here are the BAs, the DAs, the distributor agreement forms. After selecting all of that, I'm just going to click continue. And once I've gone past all of that, the final step is to add all of this additional information. They'll have the ability to add a co-applicant if they would like by opening this drawer. The next drawer right here is their address, which they will locate. And then finally, here is their contact preferences, their gender, and how they would like to receive marketing materials. Once they've filled all of that out, they'll click on complete, and they'll officially be in the system as a brand affiliate. It'll have this welcome motto right here, which will give them a welcoming, and then they'll be able to start their business doing one of these actions. If they ignore all of this, what will happen is we'll just drop them straight into Office, and they'll be ready to start sharing their own links to other people to start building their team. The second way to sign up with Nu Skin is not having a sign up link, but going straight without an account to the Peru website, clicking on logging in, and then down here clicking on sign up, which in Spanish it says inscríbase hoy. What they can do as well is click on join the team and then click on getting started right here, comenzando. Either one of those options are going to do the exact same thing. Once they click on that, they'll be dropped onto this page right here where they'll have to choose whether they're signing up as a brand affiliate or as a customer. Now, remember, a member account is not going to be on this cold page or this front-facing page. That's just controlled by a brand affiliate login. So if someone wants to be a member, they have to receive one of those invitations. Otherwise, if I click on brand affiliate, well, all I'll do here is I'll go ahead and put in the ID of the person that's going to be my sponsor. So here I'm just going to go ahead and paste an ID, click on search, and then the search result comes up down here. I'll select it, and then I'll go through the exact same flow as before. So the only difference is how to get to the form. One way is receiving an invite link, and the other way is going straight cold into the sign up page and putting in the ID of the person that's going to sponsor this new sign up. But this is how you can do new signups for Peru. Hope this training is helpful for you guys, and good luck and happy market opening.